come outside to do a quick video. This is Jack, he's deaf. Hi Jack, can you hear me, buddy? Poor guy, he's just deaf as can be, but he loves to sleep against his back against the walls and stuff because I guess, you know, it protects him from predators. But there's his flock over there. They love to eat underneath that tree. There's lots of bugs and grubs and stuff under there, I guess. And of course, we all know Piper's here. So, anyways, I'm starting a video today. Guess what? I got the old truck back and got the boat hooked up. We got it back yesterday and we did a little fishing last night. Did a little bit of crappie fishing. We caught, I don't know, maybe 8 or 9 crappies. Most of them were 8, 9, 10 inches long. We usually don't keep those, even though 9 inches are bigger. Our keepers here in Missouri. So, we didn't really get enough to catch a full, we didn't get a boat full, let's put it that way, so we let them go. Anyways, there's the old bass tracker boat. I like to call it the crappie slayer because we catch some crappies in there. Got the truck back. Got my chickens enjoying. It's a beautiful day. I don't know what the temperature is, but here you can see, look, the bumper's brand new. The taillights are not broken. No broken taillights. The bed's not ripped anymore. And if you look real closely down there, you can see shiny brand new drive shaft. Ooh, doggy. So now we got the truck back. This weekend, we are going camping and on a float trip. So hopefully we'll put out some more videos. Then we're gonna go down to Circle B Campground in Eminence, Missouri and do a float trip, kind of like a last season hoorah for the kids go back to school. And just have some fun. We'll swim on the beach, do the float trip. Got some big cliffs you can jump off of. Hopefully we'll get some videos of that. Eventually I need to get like a GoPro or something because it's hard to move all these videos around and they don't seem to post very well and they're small screened and just stupid shit like that. So anyhow, hopefully we'll get something like that going. I hope you can see me. I don't know if you can even see me from there, but here we go. Here's a little review of my boat. This is our Minn Kota Power Drive. It's a hand remote control. It's footless. I love this thing because I can walk around the boat. It frees up a lot of space up front here. If you got that foot control in here, it just takes up a lot of space. And me and Mama put our chairs up here and we both like to sit up in front and hover over a big crappie bed full of crappies, and we just love it. We got a couple bumpers here. Keep our tackle boxes. We got the cooler in there. Our life jackets, minnow bucket. We just used that minnow bucket because we was in a hurry to get the hell out of here yesterday. There's the dash. We got fish finder here. I call it Mom Bear's fish finder because you can see it while you're driving. You can see we got one up front there too. That works freaking awesome. And here's the back of the boat. Got 2 big live wells on here. We got the Mercury 75 horser. Should run like a champ. Runs really, really good. But this is a small boat for Lake of the Ozark. You ain't getting out on this lake unless it's a weekday and there ain't many boats out there because they will swamp us. So I don't put it out here. But here in a couple of weeks, a lot of these lake people are going to be going home to their houses and for the season to be over. And me and my beautiful bride will have this whole lake to ourselves. Man, look at here. Look at the guy. We got some cherry maters popping up there. Oh yeah, them bad boys are ready to pick out. Oh yeah, getting some red ones, all them red ones. We got some grass growing in there. I'll have to come out and pick these later. Anyhow, stay tuned. We're gonna try to get a video in today of some crappie fishing or something. So, see you in a bit.
Make room, I'm coming in.
Fancy and Buffy want their turn. Come here, Dixie. Hi, Dixie. Come here, Dixie. Come on, on, Dixie. Come on, Buffy. Buffy and Dixie always come over. Come here. Come on, girls. Come on. Oh, Pop, you scared them all. Oh, Pop.
So we're getting ready to go fishing. Put the boat in the water. This is how we do it. It's kind of a process when you don't have a dock, but we get it done. Our property up there, all back in there, 7+ acres. We have this nice tight corner to wrap around. This is the hill that Todd dropped the drivetrain on, trying to get up. As you can see, we have the truck back now. We haven't fished since Memorial Day. There's a ramp behind us. Look at you. I love it. We went school shopping today. Trying on our new digs. take it for a little ride back into the cove before I have to turn around and go pick them up. Hoping to see a nice sunset. Sometimes you just have to blow the cobwebs off. It's been sitting in the garage for a while.
Little rooster. It's beautiful. It hurts my eyes if I look right directly at it. Alright, little schmutz on your boots here. Started a video this morning. I was going to do some fishing, but it was so hot today we really didn't get out on the lake till this evening. And we spent the day shopping, doing school shopping for Brinley and Isaiah. They needed to get some school clothes, so we did that. Then we went to a place called Wobbly Boobies and had Wobbly Boots. Went to Wobbly Boots, had some pulled pork sandwiches. And then we tried to do some fishing. And of course, as usual, we come out here and fish, and Mama Bear here is reeling them in left and right.
No keepers.
No keepers though.
Nope. Bunch of dinks and a lot of shorts, but we caught crappie, we caught bass, we caught bluegill. It was still action, so I'll take it.
Yeah, it was fun fishing. You know, at least it was kept you busy.
Yeah.
You know, we were catching. It wasn't like we were just fishing and not catching anything. So we caught
Nothing impressive.
No, we caught a couple 9-inch ones, but we try to keep them when they're a little bigger than that. But lots of little ones. Sometimes the little ones hit a lot harder than the big ones. Sometimes you'd hook a little one, you're like, oh, I got me a good one. Get that net. Nah.
Well, we haven't been out here in a while, so
Yeah.
it's hard to remember or to think where we're gonna find them, and they're kind of tricky. Right?
Yeah, we're trying our usual spots from the springtime. Of course, those are a lot shallower spots, and the water's 84 degrees, so they're just not up there. So we're trying
And
to
it's
find.
dirty.
Yeah, the water's real dirty and murky, and the boats and the jet skis come back in here in our cove here, and then they just zoom around here all day. So it keeps the water turned up pretty good, but the fish don't seem to mind it too much. It is a Wednesday, so it's not too bad. Everybody's gone now. We try to do some sunset shots for y'all. It didn't work out too well. We did a time lapse one, but it looked like we were trying to thread a needle at 1,000 yards. Wouldn't hold still, but
It was still pretty in person.
yeah, in person it looked great. But on the zoomed in camera on time lapse,
If you're out here, you might as well take in the sunset. I don't care how good or bad it is. It's still a sunset.
yeah, we get some pretty sunsets out here too on the lake sometimes. You can tell, I don't know if you can tell, but we can tell it's still a little bit hazy from the fires out west. They're still thinning out this way a little bit. Maybe in the next week or so, most of that haze will be gone, and maybe most of these boaters will be gone too. There'll probably be 1 or 2 more, maybe 3 more good weekends of boaters coming down here and running their boats around and just having some fun, and then we'll get the whole lake to ourselves basically from the time school starts till Memorial Day weekend.
And then we get to be ice fishing.
Oh yeah, we get to do ice fishing, but we got some good ice gear for that.
Yeah.
So we did it last year a little bit. We didn't make no videos of it, but we will this year. It'll be fun because I mean, we'll be out here, it'll be 20 degrees outside, and as long as the water ain't frozen, we're on the lake fishing, and we do pretty doggone good too. So uh-oh,
The kids are calling. Can you hear them back there?
Can you hear 'em? What? Okay, pick me up, she said. So a little bit of schmutz on your boots. We gone. Bye bye.